If your phone is silent, as in it only vibrates, it doesn't make any sounds, and you've tried all kinds of things like going into the control center here, raising the volume, going into the settings and raising the volume, but you can't figure out where to make it actually, or let it actually make sound when the phone rings or when you get a text message, it's probably on silent mode. For older phones, pre-iPhone 15, there's a switch on the side of the phone, right over here. If you flick this up, it's going to say ringer. If you flick it down again, it's going to say silent mode. So make sure that one's not in silent mode, and that will more than likely solve your problem. iPhone 15 and newer, they don't have that switch. They use one of these buttons on the side. You press and hold it, and silent mode goes on and off. I don't know which button it is exactly because I don't have that new phone, but it's just a button on the side for those ones. Mess around and I'm sure you'll find it. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this one right here, because it's going to help you find more space on your phone. And who doesn't want more space on their phones? So make sure you check out that video next, and I'll see you there.